Okay, so tonight we are working on problems 1 through 3. For this first one, you are simplifying. That means that you're just going to be expanding this. So you're going to distribute, or double distribute, I guess you guys call that. So and then you'll just combine like terms. And that will be your answer for the first one. For the second, we are going to be factoring this. So this can be split up into x squared minus 9, x squared plus 3. The x squared minus 9 can be split up again. When we set each of these equal to 0, we'll have x equals 3, negative 3, imaginary square root 3, and negative imaginary square root 3. And for our last one, we just have to follow this graph. So we're going to start off on the top left. We're going to be following this line in. We're going to come down and bounce off like that, and then come right back up. We don't have the m here for multiplicity, so we're going to start off at the bottom. We're going to come up, hit that mark, and then follow this line. Just don't forget your arrows, and it'll look something like this. So if you have any questions on any of these, please reach out. Otherwise, that is your video for tonight.